Alrighty then, welcome to Marijuana Mornings with Monty. By the way, the following video should not be viewed by my cuñada, my suegro, my suegra, or basically anyone who has no intention of being really cool. Like if you're an employer who's like, wow, I'm not gonna give this guy a job because of this video, then definitely don't keep watching this. But maybe if you're one of those guys who's like, hey, you know, I wish you was smoking out of my bong, you can do that as well. By the way, we're going to be smoking right here at the beginning some cheese queso. I used to